Welcome back to NkitchN. Today, I am going to show you one of my favorites and the most popular Indian dish, Paneer Tikka. Traditionally, it is grilled in a tandoor, but we're going to use the oven. Let's get started with the recipe. To a bowl, add a half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, a 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt as required, mustard oil, lime juice and mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps. Now, let's add the diced paneer. Here, I have taken 300 grams of paneer, and I have cut them into large pieces. Next, add some diced bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Here, I am using green and yellow bell peppers, but you can add any color of your choice. Mix it gently. Make sure not to break the paneer. Let this rest for 1 to 2 hours, or overnight. You can leave this in the refrigerator if you are marinating it for overnight. For smoky flavor, to a bowl, add burnt charcoal or wood, and add 1 to 2 drops of oil. Close the lid and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Grease the baking tray and keep it aside. Preheat the oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now, take the marinated paneer and veggies mix, and give a gentle mix. Soak the skewers in water at least for 30 minutes before using them. This will prevent them from burning when they are kept in oven. Place the marinated paneer and veggies to the skewers, as shown in the video. The best way to make paneer tikka is in a tandoor or on a barbecue. Here we are going to broil it in the oven for a few minutes to get that desired texture. Brush some melted butter on top, and bake it for 10 minutes on each side at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove after 10 minutes, turn it around, and brush some more butter. Place it back in the oven and bake for another 10 minutes. Once it is baked properly, remove them from the oven. Brush some more melted butter, and garnish it with fresh coriander. Finally, sprinkle some chaat masala. Paneer tikkas are ready. Serve them hot with some green chutney. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.